جہاں چاہ وہاں راہ ٹھیک کہا گیا ہے۔ جہاں مرضی ہے وہاں ایک راستہ ضرور ہے، اور ماسٹر عفان کٹی نے بجا طور پر اسے ثابت کیا ہے، جس نے روبکس کے مکب کی دنیا میں اپنے مکرم صلاحیتوں کی وجہ سے کم عمر میں اپنے موبائل کی لت پر قابو پایا۔ ایک ٹیڈیکس خطیب عفان خدا کے فضل کے ساتھ دنیا کا واحد بچہ ہے جس نے روبکس کے مکب پر انگریزی، ہندی، ملیالم، پنجابی، عربی اور بہت سے دوسروں پر آنکھیں باندھ کر حروف تہجی بنائے ہیں۔ آج عفان نوجوان ہندوستان کے لیے ایک رول ماڈل بن گیا ہے، اور اس کا سفر دوسروں کے لیے قابل تقلید سنگ میل ہے۔ وہ اپنی زندگی کے سفر سے نوجوانوں کو تحریک دینے اور ان کو ان کی صلاحیتوں سے آگے بڑھنے میں ان کی مدد کرنے کا خواہش مند ہے۔ آئیے ایک نظر ڈالتے ہیں کہ ہندوستان کے نوجوانوں سے عفان کیا کہنا چاہتے ہیں۔
This wonderful journey has taught me many things, which I would like to share with you all. Today, so many of you listening to me, some of you, maybe your friends, relatives, anyone you know, might be addicted to something, and many of them not even know that they are addicted to something. My dear friends, that addiction will definitely give you a physical or mental health issue. I strongly believe that anybody or everybody can come out of any addiction just the way I came out of my mobile addiction. We just need to follow three things in life to get rid of any negative addiction. First and important thing, you have to believe in yourself. You need to strongly believe that you can come out of any difficulties, as self-realization is the first step to come out of any negative addiction. The second thing you need is positivity. To come out of any negative addiction, you need some positive motivation towards a positive addiction. Just the way to overcome my mobile addiction, my father introduced me to Rubik's Cube, which is now a positive addiction. Because when something is removed from you, a vacuum is created. To fill that vacuum, some positive motivation is needed. Or else, when willpower gets over, you might go back deeper to that negative addiction. So, my dear friends, with all the positive attitude, try to achieve your goal and don't stop until you get it. The third and last thing you need is unconditional love and support by our family and friends. I was very lucky that my dad never forced me. He in fact always motivated me. So I am grateful to Almighty for blessing me with such a dad. My other family members also supported me a lot. Today, just because of their unconditional love and support, I could successfully come out of my mobile addiction. Today, my mobile timing has come down by 80%. So once again, I would like to assure you all that you can also come out of your any negative addiction just the way I came out of my mobile addiction.